Tired of vacuuming every day? Imagine a vacuum that not only cleans your home, but also empties itself. That's exactly what the Shark AI Ultra Self-Emptying Robot Vacuum delivers. With smart navigation, it maps your home room by room, ensuring no spot is missed. Plus, with features like home mapping, no-go zones, whole home cleaning, and targeted missions, you're always in control. And with a self-emptying base that stores weeks of dirt, you get a truly hands-free cleaning experience. It isn't just a robot vacuum. It's the smarter, easier way to keep your floors spotless every single day. In this video, we'll talk about these topics: unboxing, smart features, specifications, how to use, how to connect, maintenance and safety precautions. What's in the box? In the box, you'll find the Shark AI Ultra Robot Self-Empty Robot Vacuum, self-empty base, and side brush. Want to grab the Shark AI Ultra Robot Self-Empty Robot Vacuum from Amazon? Just tap the link in the description below. Smart features? It uses LiDAR to map your home and clean in organized rows, ensuring full coverage and fewer missed spots compared to random cleaners. A self-cleaning brush roll that actively prevents hair tangling, making it ideal for pet owners and busy households. Self-empties after each clean into a bagless base that holds up to 60 days of dirt and debris. The bagless base does not require any additional purchase of disposal bags like traditional auto-empty robots. 360-degree LiDAR vision quickly and accurately maps your home, so your robot can methodically clean, detecting and avoiding objects in its path, day or night, adapting to everyday changes in the home. When the battery runs low, the Shark AI Ultra automatically returns to its base, recharges, and then picks up right where it left off. This ensures a complete clean, even in larger homes, without you lifting a finger. With smart sensors built in, it detects and avoids obstacles like toys, wires, or furniture legs. Instead of bumping into everything, it moves smoothly around your home, protecting both your belongings and the vacuum itself. Specifications. How to use. Start by removing the robot's collision protection strip and peeling off the laser protection film. Next, attach the side brush securely to the bottom of the robot. Then, set up the base station by installing the base ramp and inserting the cleaning filter into place. Make sure all components are properly installed. Place the charging dock against a wall on a flat surface with enough space around it. Plug it in and let the robot fully charge before first use to ensure optimal performance and battery life. Start an initial mapping run so the robot can scan and save your home layout. It uses LiDAR to accurately build a map, which helps it clean efficiently and avoid obstacles. You can later customize the map with rooms, no-go zones, and more. Choose your desired suction level or cleaning mode via the app or voice assistant. Once started, the robot navigates room by room, auto-adjusting to floor types and collecting dust and debris. It even empties itself at the dock when the job is done. How to connect. Go to the App Store for iOS or Google Play Store for Android and search for the SharkClean. Download and install it on your smartphone. Make sure your phone has a stable internet connection before proceeding. Long press the robot's network button, wait for the network indicator light to flash, and follow the voice prompts and steps in the app to complete the network configuration. Open the app and tap Add Device and follow the in-app instructions. Power on your robot, select your Wi-Fi network, and enter the password when prompted. Once paired, you'll have full control over scheduling, cleaning modes, and more, from anywhere. Maintenance. Always power off your robot before maintenance by holding the dock button for 5 to 7 seconds. Flip it over to remove the brush roll, clean out hair or debris, and check the end caps before reattaching. Clean the side brush by pulling it off, removing dust or hair, then snapping it back in place. Wipe cliff sensors, charging contacts, and clean the dustbin and filter with a cloth or compressed air. Keep the dock working properly by wiping the charging contacts with a dry cloth. Empty the self-empty dustbin when full by pressing the release button and tapping it over a trash can. It's recommended to clean this dustbin once a month to ensure smooth performance. The base has 2 filters, post-motor and pre-motor. Remove them, tap out dust, and rinse with cold water only, never use soap. Let them fully air dry before reinstalling. Cleaning these filters monthly keeps suction strong and your robot running efficiently. Safety precautions. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link in the description below to grab your Shark AI Ultra Robot Self-Empty Robot Vacuum. See you in the next one.